Join us as we explain the shuffle steering technique. To perform shuffle steering, begin with your hands positioned either at the 10 and 2 or 9 and 3 positions on the steering wheel. A good rule of thumb for shuffle steering is to keep your left hand on the left side of the steering wheel and your right hand on the right side. The meeting point is either at the 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock position. Let's see it in action. Here, we are using the 6 o'clock position as our reference point to switch powers between the hands. As the right hand pushes up, the left hand simply slides along the wheel back into place. Then the left hand pulls down, while the right slides back to meet it at the 6 o'clock position. To turn right, pull down with the right hand, while the left hand slides down to meet it. Then, push up with the left hand as the right slides back into place. Let's observe a left turn in real time, using the shuffle steering technique.